Today we are going to discuss a very common clinical scenario in which patient presents with depressive illness, depressive symptomatology, and as a clinician we have to decide whether this depression, this current episode of depression is part of unipolar depression or it is a component of bipolar illness. This is very important clinical question. Because if we take this episode as a unipolar depression, but actually it is part of bipolar illness, and we start certain antidepressant, situation can become untenable, and patient rapidly becomes switched to another pole of the illness, which is mania. So we actually treated the depression with wrong medication. So what are those clinical predictors, clinical criteria, we may say, which can help to decide that this depression is part of bipolar illness? There are certain features of depression which is part of bipolar illness. First and foremost, we need to take history. Family history can provide first clue. If there is family history of bipolar illness, then currently this patient most likely has depression, which is part of bipolar illness. And secondly, we need to ask any history of hypomanic or manic or mixed symptomatology in preceding days, preceding months, and preceding years. So first is family history. Secondly, any mixed or hypomanic or manic symptom in past history, past psychiatric history. Thirdly, we need to take clinical picture and clinical history, and there are certain points. For example, bipolar depression has more severe a problem in of early morning awakening. Patient will categorically report that they tend to rise early morning. Secondly, depressive symptoms are more worse in early morning. Thirdly, there is more psychomotor retardation in bipolar depression. Fourthly, overall symptomatology, overall clinical severity of the depression is more severe in bipolar depression. Fourthly, when we take history, usually there is impression that the clinical course of the illness has been short. This episode of depression dramatically progressed as compared to unipolar depression that tend to take rather longer. But bipolar depression rapidly overwhelmed the patient. And at the end, we need to ask psychotic feature, because it is known and it is now proven that psychotic features are more common in bipolar depression, especially if symptoms are mood incongruent. So incongruent is psychotic feature. If these are prominent, we should be careful to decide about antidepressant drugs. Otherwise, patient might be switched to other pole of the illness, which is more disruptive and more problematic.